You think that this is very simple, but about 95% of people still get this wrong. Now, look at what many people do here. We have 20 divided by 5 divided by 20 divided by 5. Here, many people do this and they have this. They write here 20 divided by 5, that is 4. Bring down this division here, 20 divided by 5, that gives 4. And right here, 4 divided by 4, that is 1. But this answer is wrong. Then as such, this first approach is completely wrong. Don't make this mistake. Now to get this right, we are going to have this 20 divided by 5 divided by 20 divided by 5. Now here we are going to follow this order of operation. Now we're going to divide this first one from left to right. We have this 20 divided by 5, that will give us 4. Then divided by 20 divided by 5. Right here, we are going to apply KCF. We have KCF right here. K simply means keep, C change, F flip. This simply implies that we are going to keep this first value here, which is 4, and we are going to have this. Then also know that this is the same thing as 4 all over 1. Now we are going to change this sign to multiplication, and we flip the value here, which is 20. Now we change multiplication and we flip 20, that's 1 over 20. The same thing here, change the sign to multiplication, we flip 5, that gives us 1 over 5. And right here, 4 divided by 1 and 4 into 20, that gives us 5. Then as such, we have here 1 multiplied by 1 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 5. If you multiply this out, you are going to have 1 all over 25. And this is a correct answer to this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.